Hey guys, Hades here, heading out again. So, saying goodbye to Oregon for now. I'll be back later. Heading out. Taco Bell. Okay, back at Eugene Airport. Of course, I'm in the smoking area here. Percival's here to see me off.
Percival.
Bye.
There's the plane I was just on. We're in San Francisco now. First time I've been in California 7 or 8 years. Been a while. Heading out again soon. Phoenix. Ain't cold here. Phoenix, Arizona. Hey guys, Hades here. This is going to be a quick video. I traveled to Phoenix from Oregon. Stopped in San Francisco on a layover, and now I'm here. I'm here to do some truck driver training, so I'll be here for a while. Just thought I'd make a very short video about that. Maybe I'll do some more videos in Phoenix, but it's very, very hot.